Hello, artist. You're going to do something on an online program called Weavesilk.com. So you type in weavesilk.com in Google Chrome, and you come to a page that looks like this, and click on it. And initially, you see a bunch of dots that move around when you wiggle your mouse. Now, these dots have multiple capabilities. The tools are very simple. It's very easy to make really cool designs in a very short period of time. So we go up here to your little menu. So we find the little dot and click. Then it gives you a color wheel, and it gives you a little sliding toolbar and some options down here that you can turn on and off. So first, with the color wheel, you can click, and when you draw, that's the color you will get. You can change the colors by clicking other colors. You can also mix the colors. If I click and drag into the color beside it, it gives me a new option. Down here, this slider determines how many points you have on your screen. So at the beginning, you've got none. Scoot it over. Down at the bottom, it says mirror across center. Right now it's on, so I'm getting a design that is symmetrical. Also has spiral towards center is turned on at the moment. I can turn that off and have just the mirror mode on. I can turn mirror mode off as well. So instead of being symmetrical, I have a radial design. Once you're happy with your picture, click the little camera. And it gives directions. It says to save, right click the thumbnail and choose save image as. This little tiny box right here is your thumbnail. This is what you have to right click on. If you right click over here and try to save it, all it's going to save is a blank image with dots. Right click on the image, or use two fingers if you're on the Chromebook and tap at the same time. Click Save Image As, and it'll come up with a box. Right now, it's in my Downloads folder. You decide where you want it to go. Give it a name. Hit Save. Once you do that, you need to head to Google Classroom. And it has your list of classes. You will need to find My Class, Classwork, Current Assignments, Weavesilk Creations, and on yours, it should have an option over here for you to attach a file or upload a picture. You want to click that and then find the file that you just saved and click Turn In.